starting now. Hi, Owen. So Mum said that you were struggling a little bit with bridging to 10 and using bridging to 10 with our subtraction problems. So what I thought I'd do is I would show you a quick way of doing it using front loading and carrying. So the first thing we have to do is we have to look at the numbers and we have to expand the numbers. So remembering what we did in our place value unit, if we've got 5 hundredths, when we expand it, it becomes 500. 30 and 9. Subtract 100, 70 and 3. So now that we've expanded the numbers, we can make 3 different number sentences about the subtraction of these two numbers. So we can start with our hundreds number sentence. Our hundreds number sentence would be 500 minus 100, because those are our hundreds numbers, 5 and 1. Take away, second one, 30 and 70. And the last one are our unit numbers, 9 and 3. Now, we need to look at these numbers and we need to think whether they can do the jobs that they need to do. Does 9 have enough to take away 3? Yes, it does. But when we move to our tens column, 30 does not have enough to take away 70. So we need to think, where can we borrow? Where can we take some numbers away, put it to the 30 to make it bigger? We are obviously going to go to our hundreds column, because even if we added one more from the units, it's still not enough. We need to borrow 100. So if we borrowed 100 from 500, this would become 400, and then our 100 goes on to here. Now when we do our number sentences, we can work out what each of these takeaways are. 400 take away 100 is 300. 130 take away 70. There's lots of different ways that you can do this. I know that 70 is made up by a 50 and a 20. So if I took the 30 from the 50, that would take me down to 100, which would then leave 4 that I take away. You can count by tens and count backwards. So 130, 120, 110, 100, 90, 80, 70, 60. Then 9 take away 3 is 6. Putting your answers all together, the answer is 366. Hopefully you could follow that method, Owen. I know that you would be able to do a lot of this in your brain, but this front loading strategy, particularly with the carrying, works really, really well in our part-whole number unit. It also works well when we work with bigger numbers like 24,539 take away 173. Still the same process, but if you get the front loading carrying down pat, you'll be able to do it with any numbers. Give this method a go. I will put some more things up on Mathletics for you today. I want you to keep going with your time unit, and hopefully we'll see you back here next week. Okay? Be safe, be kind, and I'll see you soon. Bye.